How to change Google Authenticator on OKX. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change Google Authenticator on OKX, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your OKX account. Once you're signed in and you're brought to your own page, you'll be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that are available on OKX. Then the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see some dots. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to the page automatically. On this page, click on your email address and then you'll be taken to your user centers page. So on your user centers page, you can see four options which include profile, security, preferences, notifications. Click on security, then the options displayed, click on security center, and then on security centers page you wait for it to load, and then you'll see your authenticator app. Just go ahead and click on it, and then on this page you can see authenticator app, then you can see change authenticator app. All right, so just click on that, and then you'll be taken to another page where you'd see for your account security, the withdrawal function will be suspended, etc, etc. So open new authenticator app, then enter the setup key. So all you need to do is to copy this key now, then open your new authenticator app, paste the key. After pasting the key, come back here, click on next, and then you'll be taken to the security authentication page. So on this page, you'll then paste the email authentication code sent to your email address, then enter in the old authenticator app code, and then enter in the new authenticator app code. They click on submit, and then just like that, your Google Authenticator on OKX would be changed. As simple as that. So if you want to change your Google Authenticator, I'm sure you know how to do so now. So ensure you carry that out now. Thanks for watching.